Welcome to Orecchio Properties. Today we're in Country Club Hills, located at 505 Pine Valley Drive, apartment E19, on the west end of Steubenville. We're touring a well-maintained one-bedroom, one-bathroom, single-level apartment designed for comfort, privacy, and everyday living. As you walk in, you'll notice the spacious living and dining area. The open layout gives you plenty of room to relax, entertain, or work from home. The kitchen is efficiently designed with everything you need and connects seamlessly to the main living space. Down the hall, you'll find a comfortable bedroom with great natural light and ample closet space. The bathroom is clean, functional, and conveniently located just off the bedroom. This apartment includes central air, a private entrance, attic storage, and your own patio, giving you home-style living without the maintenance. You're just minutes from shopping, restaurants, and only 5 miles from Franciscan University. If you're looking for quiet, comfortable living in a great location, this is it. To schedule a showing or apply, visit SteubenvilleApartments.com or call 304-723-RENT.